Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Now I wanted to jump in and just do a quick video today, just an unedited raw video here talking about Rivian stock and pretty much what's going on with this company here. So pre-market or after hours, really, it's falling about 10% because the company came out and they released some sort of earnings. Now, in earnings is when the company gives out all the fundamentals, all the revenue, cash on hand, all the stuff, all the nerds like myself care about. They released this, and if we go ahead and we look at it, you guys are going to notice this massive sell-off where the stock fell from $19, right, all the way down to 17 bucks. So down about 10% of value. And the craziest thing is today it went from 18 all the way up to 19. So we had a great move today. But why? Why did we have this sell-off? Well, the earnings report. The earnings report came out and they did not look strong, right? If we go ahead and we look at this article here by the New York Times, Rivian lost $6.8 billion last year as production fell short. So pretty much what has been going on is they've had a lot of production issues. They did produce about 50,000 vehicles, which is doubling what they did in 2021. But the issue is they were expected to bring out about 60,000 vehicles. Plus, the company is not profitable. They're losing money, burning through cash. So it's very, very hard to grow and sustain a business when that's pretty much what's going on inside, the company and how the fundamentals look. It's going to be very hard to grow, right? So obviously what happens is people want to sell or short the stock. And that's kind of what we've seen, right? After hours, it had a fall of 10%. But if we go ahead and we go to the daily chart, you guys will notice that Rivian stock in general has been just getting obliterated. It's gone from $179 all the way down to 19 bucks a share. So what does technical analysis look like? Right now, sellers are in control of this company. So in order for me to feel confident about investing in this thing, I'm trying to buy this thing as low as I possibly can get it, right? You'll notice we've seen some decent support. I'll say decent, at 15 just because that's the lowest, but I definitely think this is just a high risk, high reward play. The average investor, a beginner investor, should not be, investing into Rivian. I think the risk and reward ratio does not line up for what it is. I think the company as itself is overvalued. The company lost over $6 billion last year, and you guys still want to invest. It's always good to look at companies that are increasing profit margin, companies that are killing it on revenue, increasing, quarter after quarter after quarter, company with, high profit margins, free cash flow, in a growing sector, which Rivian is in a growing sector. But I just think there is some better options out there. Another company that I think would be better, I know, TSLA, Tesla. The difference between Tesla and Rivian is, one, Tesla's actually been doing relatively well. It's a little more volatile, going up and down at more of a rapid rate. But looking at the chart, you guys can make better educated guesses of where the stock is going to go. I think anytime Tesla falls under, 190 bucks a share, it's an absolute no-brainer investment. I think the company does a lot more than you and I know. The company, is a huge data and software company. The company plans on doing an open AI. I just think there's a lot more potential. In Tesla, they have just more cash, more profit margin. They're just the better electric vehicle company, and that's where I'm putting my money over Rivian. Yes, Rivian, you guys can make money off it, but just the risk and reward does not line up for my investment. I would rather look at something like that as a possible swing trade or day trade situation, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Shorter video today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We'll see you later. Take care.